Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to change bio on Threads. So first thing that you will do is simply tap on the Threads application or just simply open it up. And now from here, just simply go ahead and tap on your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen. And now once you are on your profile, just simply go ahead and tap on edit profile over here. And now over here, you should be able to see bio. So in order for you to change your bio, just simply tap on bio. And from here, guys, you can put whatever you prefer. So down below, you should be able to see an option as well, import bio from Instagram. So just simply tap on that. And from here, you should be able to import the details and just simply tap on OK. And from there, you should be able to import your Instagram bio. And from here, just simply tap on check on the top right corner of the screen and tap on done on the top right corner of the screen again. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.